Welcome to the family!
Hey family members! Today we're going to be building a Disney's Lego Build and Swap Mulan set. And it looks really cool, so let's get into it. Oh wait, hold on. In the back it shows scenes from the movie. Yeah, and yes, you can build and swap and all of that. So now let's get started. Here's one. Oh my gosh, family members, look at all of this. We got her shrine, a cherry blossom tree, a catapult, and a little fighting dummy. Yay! It's so cool. If you look on Mulan's fan, you can kind of see. I know it's blurry, but the camera does not want to cooperate. Golden writing, it's like Japanese writing or Chinese or whatever Mulan is. I think she's Chinese. Yeah, Chinese. And now the horse has it. The horse has it. But now, what are we gonna do with all of these extra pieces?
Did you stick a fan in the poor horse?
Yes. I stuck a fan through the horse. That is how evil I am. Well, here's something I did with some spare parts. Here, as you can see, you can kind of mix and match through any of the smaller things that you just built. I'm going to add the cherry tree, and it looks great. Take the fan out of the horse, and now it's going to eat his hay right there. And Mulan has a little tea area. Oh wait, hold on. That's what we could have used something for. So you can kind of use that as a lid for the tea. Didn't say to do that, but I did that. So yeah, this has been a really cool set. This is the Mulan Disney Princess Lego set. Hey family members, can you tell me which Disney princess is your favorite? Leave your answer in the comments and we'll see you next time, family members. Bye! Bye!
If you had fun watching today's video, don't forget to subscribe so that you can see more, and let us know in the comments what other toy videos you might want to see in the future. Also, don't forget to check out our other channel, The Fangirl, where we talk about all kinds of movies, TV shows, and even books and comics. But viewer discretion is advised. See you next time, family members!